Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Spotfire tutorial, advanced analytics and business intelligence made easy. In today's fast-paced business world, data is one of the most valuable assets. But having data is not enough. You need the right tools to analyze and visualize it effectively. This is where Spotfire, a powerful business intelligence, BI, and data analytics platform, comes in. Spotfire helps businesses make data-driven decisions by providing advanced visualization, interactive dashboards, and predictive analytics. Spotfire 2025 is the latest version of its leading analytics tools, offering even more powerful features for businesses and data professionals. Whether you are working with small data sets or big data, Spotfire enables you to explore information interactively, detect trends, and generate meaningful insights quickly. Its intuitive interface, combined with AI-powered analytics, makes it one of the most effective solutions for data-driven decision-making. 1. What is Spotfire? Spotfire is a data visualization and analytics tool developed by Tibco Software. It allows users to create interactive reports and dashboards, making it easier to analyze complex data sets. It supports real-time data analysis and integrates with multiple data sources, including Excel, SQL databases, cloud platforms, and big data tools. Key features of Spotfire: data visualization, create interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards; data wrangling, clean and prepare data for analysis; predictive analytics, use AI and machine learning to forecast trends; real-time analytics, monitor live data streams for quick decision making; collaboration tools, share insights with teams and stakeholders; automation and scripting, automate repetitive tasks using Python, R, and JavaScript. Spotfire is widely used in industries like finance, healthcare, manufacturing, and retail, where quick and accurate data analysis is crucial. Why choose Spotfire? Spotfire stands out because it combines data visualization, machine learning, and real-time analytics into a single, easy-to-use platform. Here are some key reasons why professionals choose Spotfire. User-friendly interface. Spotfire's drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to build complex dashboards. AI-powered insights automatically detects patterns, trends, and outliers in your data. Advanced data integration. Connect with multiple data sources, including cloud platforms and IoT devices. Scalability. Handle datasets of any size, from small reports to massive enterprise-level data. Custom scripting. Use Python, R, and JavaScript for advanced analytics and automation. Who can benefit from Spotfire? Spotfire is a versatile tool used by a wide range of professionals, including data analysts, to explore and visualize data interactively; business executives, to make data-driven strategic decisions; scientists and researchers, to analyze large datasets and discover patterns; marketing professionals, to track campaign performance and customer behavior; operation teams, to monitor real-time performance and optimize workflows. Spotfire's role in modern business intelligence. In an era where data-driven decision-making is critical, Spotfire provides businesses with the power to turn raw data into actionable insights. With features like real-time dashboards, predictive analytics, and automation, Spotfire helps organizations reduce costs, increase efficiency, and stay competitive in their industries. By using Spotfire 2025, businesses can unlock the full potential of their data, streamline operations, and drive innovation. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, Spotfire provides the tools you need to transform your data into meaningful insights. Number 2. Getting started with Spotfire. Step 1. Installing Spotfire. To get started, you need to download and install Spotfire 2025. Visit the Tilco Spotfire website. Choose the version that fits your needs, cloud or desktop. Sign up or log into your account. Download and install the software following the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Setting up your first project. After installation, open Spotfire and follow the steps. Create a new analysis. Click on File, New to start a new project. Import data. Choose a data source, Excel, SQL, or other formats. Explore your data. Spotfire automatically detects data types and relationships. Choose a visualization type. Select from tables, charts, or custom dashboards. Save and share. Save your project and share it with your team. Number 3. Exploring the Spotfire interface. Spotfire's interface is designed for ease of use. Here's an overview. Main toolbar. provides access to key functions like file operations, data import, and visualization tools. Data panel displays your loaded datasets and allow filtering. Visualization panel, where you create and edit charts and dashboards. Properties panel, customize visualizations with settings like colors and labels. Recommendations panel, Spotfire suggests the best visualizations for your data. Number 4. Creating visualizations in Spotfire. One of Spotfire's most powerful features is its ability to create dynamic and interactive visualizations. Here's how. Step 1. Import data. Click Add Data. Choose a data source. Excel, SQL, cloud storage, etc. Spotfire will automatically suggest data relationships. Step 2. Select a visualization type. Spotfire offers various visualization options, including bar chart, compare categories, line chart, show trends over time, pie chart, display proportions, scatter plot, identify relationships between variables, heat map, highlight patterns in data, geomaps, display geographical data. Step 3. Customize your chart. Use the Properties panel to change colors, labels, and chart settings. Apply filters to focus on specific data points. Enable drill-down features to explore detailed insights. Step 4. Make your dashboard interactive. Add drop-down filters to allow users to select specific data. Use link visualizations to update charts dynamically. Apply conditional formatting to highlight trends. Number 5. Advanced Analytics with Spotfire. Using predictive analytics, Spotfire includes built-in AI and machine learning capabilities. You can forecast sales trends using regression models, determine anomalies in financial transactions, optimize marketing campaigns based on customer behavior. To use these features, click Add Analytics. Choose a model type, regression, clustering, classification. Train your model using historical data. Apply predictions to new datasets. Using Python and R scripts in Spotfire. For advanced users, Spotfire allows scripting with Python and R. Open the Data Functions menu. Select New Script. Choose Python or R. Write and execute your custom script to manipulate data or perform calculations. Number 6. Real-time data and automation. Spotfire 2025 includes real-time analytics, allowing users to monitor live data streams. This is useful for stock market analysis, IoT sensor monitoring, real-time customer feedback. To enable real-time data, connect to a live data source, API, streaming database, etc. Use Spotfire's automation tools to trigger alerts based on data changes. Number 7. Collaboration and sharing in Spotfire. Spotfire makes collaboration easy with cloud-based sharing. Export dashboards, save as PDF, PowerPoint, or HTML. Share interactive reports. Publish dashboards to the web for team success. Set permissions. Control who can view or edit reports. Number 8. Tips and best practices for using Spotfire. To maximize efficiency in Spotfire, follow these best practices. Use data filters. Reduce clutter by filtering irrelevant data. Apply consistent formatting. Use uniform colors and labels for better readability. Leverage AI features. Let Spotfire's AI suggest visualizations and insight. Automate repetitive tasks. Use scripting and workflows to save time. Keep dashboards simple. Avoid overloading reports with too much information. In conclusion, in the rapidly evolving landscape of data analytics and business intelligence, Spotfire has solidified itself as a premier tool for transforming raw data into actionable insights. This tutorial has provided a comprehensive exploration of Spotfire's advanced functionalities, demonstrating how businesses and individuals can leverage its capabilities to drive informed decision-making, optimize processes, and enhance overall performance. Spotfire stands out due to its powerful visual analytics, intuitive user interface, and advanced AI-driven capabilities. By incorporating predictive analytics, machine learning integrations, and real-time data processing, it enables users to gain deeper insights into complex datasets. The interactive dashboards and automated workflows ensure that both technical and non-technical users can efficiently navigate and interpret data, making analytics more accessible across various industries. One of the key takeaways from this tutorial is the versatility of Spotfire. Whether you are working in healthcare, finance, manufacturing, or retail, Spotfire provides tailored solutions to meet industry-specific challenges. And that is all there is on Spotfire Tutorial 2025. Advanced Analytics and Business Intelligence made easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.